Hi, I'm Jim Skilton, President of Southern Corrosion. Cell carriers are interested in putting antennas on water tanks because it's much quicker and much cheaper than acquiring property, building a standalone antenna, and getting zoning approval and FAA approval. Water tower's already there. It's already got the height they need. All they need to do is do some slight modifications to it. Cell carriers have a different priority than you do. They're more interested in transmitting a signal off your water tank. They're not interested as much in the structural integrity of your water tank. Well, Southern Corrosion has been dealing with the cell carriers for over 20 years. We know what design parameters to review. We know structural analysis that needs to be done. We have the personnel that can actually perform the modifications to the water tank in such a way that it doesn't damage the tank. It's important to get Southern Corrosion in on the process early so that we can help you safeguard the integrity of your water tank.